Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Android app crashing. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. If your Android app keeps crashing, there are several things you can try to fix the issue. You can restart your device, and restarting your device can fix help many issues including problems with app crashing. And press and hold the power button for a few seconds, then click on the restart option. You can also check network connection. Check your internet connection to ensure that it's stable and strong. And poor internet connection can cause apps to crash. And you can also try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. And you can also factory reset your device. If none of the above solutions work, you can try factory resetting your Android device, and this will erase all the data on your device. So make sure to back up your data before doing this. And also guys, note that steps to fix the app crashing issue may vary depending on your Android device and version, and it's also important to regularly monitor your device settings and check if the app is working properly to prevent the issue from happening in the future. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.